list out the different types of quorum model used in Exchange Server 2013. Even, node and file share majority quorum mode. Odd, majority quorum mode. DAGs with an even number of members use the failover cluster node and file share majority quorum mode, which employs an external witness server that acts as a tiebreaker. In this quorum mode, each DAG members get a vote. In addition, the witness server is used to provide one DAG member with a weighted vote. For example, it gets two votes instead of one. The cluster quorum data is stored by default on the system disk of each member of the DAG, and it is kept consistent across those disks. However, a copy of the quorum data isn't stored on the witness server. A file on the witness server is used to keep track of which member has the most updated copy of the data, but the witness server doesn't have a copy of the cluster quorum data. In this mode, a majority of the voters, the DAG members plus the witness server, must be operational and able to communicate with each other to maintain quorum. If a majority of the voters can't communicate with each other, the DAG's underlying cluster loses quorum, and the DAG will require administrator intervention to become operational again. DAGs with an odd number of members use the failover cluster node majority quorum mode. In this mode, each member gets a vote and each member's local system disk is used to store the cluster quorum data. If the configuration of the DAG changes, that changes is reflected across the different disks. The change is only considered to have been committed and made persistent if that change is made to the disk on half of the members, rounding down +1. For example, in a 5-member DAG, the change must be made on 2 plus 1 members or 3 members totals.